Alright, we're starting a new series on this hovercraft channel. It's called Zen and the Art of Hovercraft Maintenance. So what we have is, our prop is kind of touching the duct here. Just barely. Actually it was a lot more, but I've sanded it down. So it shouldn't be too bad because we have the bottom. If it touches on the bottom, not so much of a trouble. If it touches on the top, you got a problem because the prop likes to lift up as the thrust applies itself to the frame here. It kind of lifts a little bit. So if you can have like a 1/16 inch of clearance down here and about a 1/4 inch up top, you'll be fine. Duct has taken a little bit of damage over the years. I need to do some work on it. So we're going to try to put some more footage on this channel. I know this isn't Cletus McFarlane, but Zen and the Art of Hovercraft Maintenance, that's what I'm going to dub this new series here, and we're going to try to increase some footage this year. Alright?